So there you go. Sometimes we change combinations if you're a student or, no, it's true. If you're a student or fighter has a different combination in their system already, it's no use like changing everything sometimes. Already Demon likes the right hand, so we're going to change to the right hand so it flows better. Alright, so let's go then. 30 seconds.
If you've ever received these right hands, you know.
Yeah.
No, fuck it.
Or you just do whatever you want.
Is that right?
That was it, that was it. That's it. Lovely, keep working. Yeah. Now he gets 30-second break, and then he'll do it again. 6 sets. Let's go, set number 2. That's it, do those 2 uppercuts hard. Single. Yes. Yes, lovely. Good one. Keep going, mate.
Fuck me.
Come on. 5 seconds. Yes. Just always remember you're going to get that 30-second break, yes? Don't stop. It's only 30 seconds.
Felt fresh for the first one. Second one, the energy just went.
Yeah, well,
just zapped.
Better liven up next, got 4 more. Let's go. Nah, don't start doing it. So everyone, maximum effort. Yes. This is all about power and speed, this drill. Yes. Good, keep going. That's halfway. Good one. Go, keep working. Remember, you got a 30-second break in a second. Let's go. Push. Power. Good. 30-second break. Now, normally when I'm training the fighters, I get them to stand like this afterwards.
Yeah.
Get their breath back, move there, in, everywhere. Because even when you're not punching, you can't switch off. Yeah. Let's go. More power. Give me some more on that left uppercut. The leg, that's it, good. Get your head out to the side, off the centre line and explode. That's it, good. 10 more seconds. That's lovely. Good. Good, and hands up now, hands up, looking, moving. Little fakes, get up on the bag as well. Maybe you can hold sometimes as well. Yeah, good. And you just lean on the bag there, hold, move. That's it, good. Moving around, changing angles. Shuffle and changing angle now. That's it, good. Up, good. Deep breath, get that breath back. Off we go, here's work. Where's the intensity? Let's go. 20 seconds, come on. Yes. Good. Come on. 10 seconds. Hands up. And you got one more set. Ready? 2, 1. Let's go. Let's go. It's your last one. Nothing. Yes, lovely. Come on. Good. Good job. Keep a nice pace. Keep those elbows in. Back foot on the toes. Bend the legs slightly. That's it. Good. Tut, 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 tut. 30-second break, you're gonna do hooks. Nice. Go, hook. Fast. That's it. Hook to the head though, higher. That's it, good. This one's gonna be a fucker. Let's go. That's it, keep it up. Keep going. Keep going. Go on. Keep it up, keep nice and smooth, 30 seconds. Make sure you're hooking, get round the side of the bag. A little bit higher. Come on, don't be lazy now. Go on, mate. Don't stop, it's nearly done. Don't stop. Don't let yourself down. Right, last 10 there, give us up. Just swing for the rafters. Hard. Engage that core, come on. Keep going. Left as hard as right. Come on. Time. Woo! Go. That's it. Good. Starts a bit wider. That's it. Back on the toes so you can push. Bend those legs, push your feet to the floor. That's it, lovely. So the left is doing the same as the right. My last take, give Well, 1 minute break.
I don't know if you can hear me over the music, but that's 1 hour of training done with Jason. I'll put a link in the description so that you can know where you can find him on Instagram and everywhere else. But I'm done now, so I'm gonna call it a day.
Stop talking. No worries.